When a powerful solution is required to clear dense brush, woody vegetation, and trees up to 10 inches in diameter, take a spin with the MK Martin Extreme Duty Brush Cutter for skid steers. Rural property owners and contractors alike can now tackle property maintenance with this rugged and durable brush cutter for selective tree clearing and maintaining unruly vegetation across fields, forests, and trails. At the core of the MK Extreme Duty Brush Cutter is the 78-inch diameter oversized rotor, manufactured using a 1-inch thick steel plate. 4 replaceable pivoting flail knives are attached to deliver maximum centrifugal velocity and shear force on every rotation. For increased mulching performance, bolt-on knife inserts below the rotor effortlessly pulverize stumps and large logs. Optional carbide tip knives are also available. Powering the cutting blade and delivering tip speeds up to 20,000 feet per minute is the hydraulic radial piston direct-mounted motor and heavy-duty bearing assembly. These industrial-grade components produce powerful torque at lower speeds for continuous cutting and faster recovery after mulching dense material. Keeping the torrent of action under control is the robust cutting deck made with 1/4-inch thick steel for long-lasting durability even in harsh and abrasive conditions. The standard reversible front push bar provides 2 options for cutting: the V-shape with rugged sharp teeth for accurate pushing and directional control of larger timber, and a smooth side for flattening dense underbrush. With 4 power packages available, hook up the MK Extreme Duty Brush Cutter to skid steers with hydraulic flow between 20 and 40 gallons per minute, and you've got a tool that will outlast even the toughest conditions your property can throw at you. Contact MK Martin for more information about the right extreme duty brush cutter for your skid steer, and start clearing.